Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to the live stream. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a professional day trader. Okay, I day trade the financial markets, and today actually we're going to talk about will Bitcoin crash even more. Okay, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to learn how to read the charts and make money from the charts. Okay, pretty much last year, 2018, people were scared. People didn't know what to do. Guys like me was making money because I know how to read the charts. I know how to take advantage when the market is going down. Okay. Also, you need to take advantage of when the market is going up too. So, if you want to learn more about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching that replay, you can actually hit settings, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up the replay. So let's get this party started. Of course, during the live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. So let's see if I see anybody in the chat room, and if not, we're gonna definitely keep the show going for you guys that's actually watching that replay. So we're gonna talk about Bitcoin a little bit today. We're gonna see if I see anything on the chart, and then we definitely gonna answer some questions, and we can go from there. So let's see. Actually, let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let me see real quick. If I go to CoinMarketCap, hold on, guys. Trying to go to CoinMarketCap real quick, see what's going on and hold on, sheesh. All right, so CoinMarketCap. All right, so um, right now, what we have here, guys, is Bitcoin dominance went down a little bit. All right, we have market cap at 231, and pretty much everything is in the red today. So we had a nice little drop off. I think it started last night. Uh, so we have to, see on the chart, is this going to continue to go down? Of course, if you guys have any questions, let me know. But I'm hoping this could be a quick live stream. I don't know how many people's gonna show up today, but try to make this a quick live stream, and we go from there because it's Friday. I know some of you guys want to go out, maybe to the movies, whatever the case is. So if you're new to the channel and if you want to have type in some questions, go ahead. What's going on, Who Flung, Super Ray, James? What's going on, man? Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna definitely answer your guys' questions soon. All right. So let's go over the chart real quick, guys. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick, and then we're gonna go to these other charts. So, what do I see when it comes to Bitcoin? What do I see? Basically, I see the market pretty much going up in a straight line, and it was getting tired a little bit, right? We made a nice little double top right here, and basically we had a nice little pullback. Now, a lot of people was saying, "Oh my gosh, what happened? Where's the news? Tell me what's going on, guys." You know, it didn't have news. Honestly, guys, you have to understand, news is not the reason why a price going up or price going down. Price was going to go down regardless of the news. Okay, if you understand price, and you understand price action or the markets in general, you would know that basically news is just an excuse for the big dogs to either sell or buy. Okay, so we had this big drop, and right now it looks like we can, continue to go back up. The only problem is, okay, let me see. And shout out to you guys that's coming in. Shout out to everybody that's here. So the problem is basically, we had a big run up. Okay, so we have to expect pullbacks, guys. We have to expect pullbacks, right? That's number one. So since we have to expect pullbacks, we could definitely pull back even more. So Bitcoin can actually continue to go up. Okay, we can continue to go up. All right, but if we go up, how far are we going? So Bitcoin could do something like this. A couple of things Bitcoin could do. We can go down even more, right? Like this. And if we decide to not, if the buyers don't step in and we just chop around and then continue to go back down, most likely we're going right back to the breakout, which is around 5,500. All right. Once we hit 5,500, we have to see if they can actually keep or have support around, or find support actually around this 55, 56 level. Okay. Now we can do something like this too. We can go up, and Bitcoin can go up, okay, and test the high, or try to test the high and go right back down to test this breakout. All right. So you got to keep that in mind. Or we can just say, you know what? Let me just, continue to buy the market up, push this thing up to 9K, 10K, whatever the K, wherever they want to go. So, yes, Bitcoin can actually still go up. This little slight pullback doesn't mean anything right now. It's actually not the sell that I'm looking for, because buyers came in. But what I'm looking for is, I guess, over the weekend. Let's see what they're gonna do either over the weekend or next week. Well, that's what I'm looking for. But we talked about this before, guys. We talked about this before. I told you guys before. Bitcoin can actually go to 12K, okay? But at the same time, before we go to 12K, we have, problems, okay? So this first area right here, around 72, 71, we broke that area, right? Now the next resistance would be around here. So we hit the zone right here. So this is the zone that we are in right now, and that's the problem. We having problem around here, okay? So this is the one area we talked about on my last live stream, okay? We talked about this area right here, okay? Bitcoin having problem around this area, right? So the first one, they blew past it, all right? We found a little bit of resistance. If you zoom in a little bit, just a little tiny resistance. We sold off a little bit, okay? If you look at it, we sold off. Let me zoom in a little bit more. We sold off a little bit, but we passed it. And then we went to the next one, okay, which is this one right here. So if we blow past this one, then it would be this one right here, the next one right here, all right? Which will be around like the probably around 95 to 10K level. That's a very, very strong one right there. Very strong resistance right there. And the major one would be the 12,000 mark. That's the major resistance, okay? 9 to 10,000 actually is very strong too. But this one be the major resistance right here, 12,000. A lot of stops right there. So, those are areas I'm looking at. So if Bitcoin can't make a new high, okay, most likely we're gonna go all the way back to these breakouts. Okay, guys, I told you guys before that the market loves to go back to the breakouts. When Bitcoin decided to break out right here, we never actually retraced to any of these breakouts right here. So I do expect Bitcoin to retrace to these breakouts. When, I don't know, but just keep that in mind. Also keep in mind that if you're buying at these levels, when the market is going straight up, you pretty much buying at the high. Keep that in mind. Also understand where your resistance is at. Okay, so you guys won't get caught out there. And if you have some profits, of course, I'm not giving you financial advice, but I definitely will take profits. You can always get back in. All right, always get back in. Because we don't know exactly what these guys want to do right now. I know most people are calling a bull market, but these are the same guys that told you to buy 10,000 back in 2018, okay, when the market was crashing. They told you to buy 10,000. They told you about 9,000. They told you about 8,000. They told you about 6,000, and they said 6,000 was the bottom. So these same guys that said 6,000 was the bottom, and now they're telling you that this is the bottom. So you gotta be careful who you listen to online and on YouTube. No one knows the bottom, so just be careful. We let Bitcoin prove to you that this is the bottom. Okay, let Bitcoin pull back, hold support, all right, at these areas right here, and then continue to go up. All right. So let's see if you guys have any questions. If you do, definitely type it in. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I appreciate it. Appreciate all my new subscribers. I have 11 years of experience, actually going on 12 around August. So if you have any questions, type it in. If you wonder how I'm able to do this full time, okay, I trade the futures market and also swing trade crypto. So what I do is only look at the charts. I don't really care about the news. The news, for you guys that are new to this and you don't understand, okay, you don't understand what's going on. The news is just useless, okay? Most people don't understand that when you get the news, it's late. You're late to the party, all right? So a lot of people, when they saw this crash, automatically they going on, all the different news sites trying to figure out what's going on. But most people don't understand that the news is just an excuse for the big dogs to sell the market or buy the market, right? So let me explain to you guys. When you hear about the news, basically, that's old news to them, all right? So let's say that, I don't know, what's the latest news, okay? Let's say that, I don't know, this thing about a latest news for the most part. That could be news that happened maybe weeks before or a month ago, okay? And they decide to say, hey, you know what? Let's drop this news on such and such date, okay? So they might wait a couple of weeks before, after the news or months before, after they get the news to drop the news to you. So you are getting the news late, guys. You are getting the news late, and they are giving you the news late. And when you get the news, you will see price jump, okay, either up or down, and that's the reason why you think it's going down. But price was going to go down regardless, okay, or price was going to go up regardless. So don't worry about news, okay? Focus on the charts. The charts will tell you what's going on, okay? We talked about this on my last live stream, guys. We talked about this on my last live stream. Did I know that we was going to have a flash crash? Did I know that, some crazy news was going to come out? No, I didn't know. I told you guys that we have resistance right here, right? Go on my last live stream if you didn't hear it, okay? I told you guys these are why you see these circles right here. I told you guys resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. Of course, the last resistance is right here, okay? We get around this area, guess what? Boom, we fall. Do I have a crystal ball? No, I don't have a crystal ball. Did I know news was coming out? No, I didn't know news was coming out, okay? All I know is how to read the chart. So forget about the news. The chart will tell you everything. So if you guys have any questions, type it in. Let's go from there. I'm probably going to make this a quick live stream. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And let's go from there. So what's going on, Who Flung? Super Ray, James, J for who else? TJ, what's going on? Troy, Andrew, JA, Satellite. What's going on, guys? Let me give you guys a round of applause. Appreciate you guys tuning in. All right, so let's see what's going on here. Time to buy XRP. Actually, XRP has it's sold off a little bit, but it has a possibility to rebound and either go back to the high or go close to the high. We have to see what Bitcoin is going to do. If Bitcoin continue to sell, all right, then XRP is going to continue to sell too. It's just what it is. But all depends on what Bitcoin is going to do. See, my thing with Bitcoin is Bitcoin has the ability to go back to one of these breakouts. Okay, so this is the first breakout right here at 5,500. All right, so that's the thing with Bitcoin. Now, once we go to the breakout, we have to see if we find support. All right. How far down do you think it will go? It don't have to go down anymore right now. This could be a temporary pullback, and we can continue to go right back up. I told you guys that 12K is 12 or 10K is definitely doable, and we don't have to even go down even more right now. Okay, we can just continue to go right back up. But we have to see what they want to do over the weekend, and we have to see what they want to do next week. All right. If I see the buyers coming in and the buyers look weak, all right, the buyers look like they don't want to buy nothing up, most likely we probably gonna fall down a little bit. So we just got to take it day by day. Let's see if I see any more questions. You hope Exxon NLT fall back. Shout out to you, Troy. You say you hope it fall back. You wanna buy some. Made 1K on that drop. Lost. You said made 1K on a drop. Lost nothing, man. Shout out to you, man. Making that money. What 1106? What's going on, bro? Jesus, what's going on? Can you do? Yeah, I can do that. Let me see. If we see a better chart than this. So this is the chart I'm looking at right now. This is the only information that I have. Basically, I mean, I don't like the information that I have in front of me, but it's a possibility we can have an inverse head and shoulder right here. Right here, we got a head. We have a left shoulder right here. We might have a right shoulder, so you might see a bounce from here. We have to see whatever Bitcoin is doing. We have to see if Bitcoin can actually find support somewhere. Let's look at these other coins real quick. Litecoin. So Litecoin found resistance right here. Let's see if they want to push it back up. Don't really see anything right now. Ethereum, same thing. Most likely, it's a possible we're gonna have probably another move up. If not, maybe pull back to this breakout right here. Tron is looking like a mess. Tron is looking like a mess. It's just one of these coins that just going sideways. Don't know. Tron don't know, which way to go. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Let me see here. Hey man, Herbie, you said hi Ben. How your kid doing? Long time no see, man. Shout out to you, bro. My kid's doing good, man. She's growing up nicely, and she's doing good. Thanks for asking, man. Hey mate, so what happened to the XRP crash you talked about last month? I don't hold any XRP. In fact, I'm a Bitcoin maximist. First of all, the XRP crash happened already. All right. Basically, we crashed when I talked about crash. Okay, it crashed right here. You see right here, it crashed right here. Now, we found support right here, and Bitcoin was shot up. So Bitcoin shot up, it crashed, and then found support and went up. All right. So let me see here. What do you think happened with Tether? He said, "Happen get wrecked." What do you think? What do you think is going to happen with Tether? Before I get wrecked, Freud. The thing with that is, I don't think it's going to happen right away. Okay. The reason why I don't think it's going to happen right away because it's in the news. So if anything, my thing is, if anything was going to happen, they wouldn't talk about it right now. So right now, they're talking about it. Most likely, nothing's going to happen no time soon. If anything is going to happen, it's going to catch you off guard. So I wouldn't worry about that. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you are, just want to understand how to basically read the charts, understand how to take advantage of these moves in the market, definitely look at a couple of courses that I have. Hey, what's going on, Swazzer? Google trend by BTC is picking up momentum as media is starting. Yeah, you know how it is. Troy said, I don't always agree with you, Ben, but when I don't agree, I'm usually wrong. Believe in Ben. Shout out to you, bro. What's going on, everybody? Hey, Ben. Crypto Russ said, bull market isn't over yet. Is this guy's bull market isn't over yet, or bear market isn't over yet? I don't get it. I don't get why he said bull market isn't over. Is that a inside joke? So for you guys that want to learn how to read the charts, like I said, I got some courses. I haven't gave you guys the discount for that crypto course in the long, probably in a couple of months. So if you want to take advantage of that, here's that discount for that crypto course. Okay, my crypto course will basically show you how to basically how to take advantage of the bull market and the bear market. All right, the best of both worlds. We'll show you how to read the chart, show you when to enter, exit. It comes with two sections. Section 1 is actually showing you how to take advantage of the bear market. Section 1 actually, shows you how to take advantage of the bear market. Section 2 shows you how to take advantage of the bull market. So here's that link for you guys that don't have that already. Check that out. I just gave you guys a discount. Like I said, I haven't gave you guys a discount maybe for what, two months now. So this discount is only for the live stream. Okay, only live stream discount. So once I get off the live stream, it's going right back to $300. If you want to learn how to day trade futures, okay, check this out. This is the link right here. I'm actually giving my students a bonus this month. So I'm going live this month. If you want to see me trade live, day trade the futures, okay, check out this link. I just gave you guys that link. And this month I'm day trading live for my students for 1 month straight, and basically showing them how to trade the markets and help them speed up their success. So if you want to learn more about that, definitely check out those links. If you have any questions, type it in. Right now BTC has the ability to go back to these breakouts, but we have to see what they want to do over the weekend. We don't even have to go down even more. This could be a quick drop just to go right back up, okay? And that's about it. So we don't even have to go all the way back down. Not yet, okay? I think eventually we're going to probably test this 55, 56 level. But we can just go right back up, maybe to 9K, 10K easily. Because once we get that 10K level, that's the level where you're going to have all these retailers most likely come back in. That's a level where they can actually have a lot of retailers come right back in. You know, if they can get that, if they can bring it right back up to 10K, I mean, honestly, you know, that will wake up a lot of people that, you know, basically decided to get away from cryptocurrencies. These guys would probably try to come back in. So that's about it. That's about it for today. Didn't want to make today live stream um, didn't want to make live stream today too long. Let me see. Bull market didn't start yet, bro. Yeah, I don't get crypto RS, man. You know, he said the bull market started. I mean, first of all, you know, we still in the bear market. We still have major resistance. In order to get out a bear market, we have to break the highs. All right. Even if we break the highs, you know, it's still, you know, we can find resistance at the highs. This is why, guys, it's very important to learn how to read the charts. Number two, don't have or don't make your buy and hold or your hodl strategy your main strategy or your only strategy. Okay, most of you guys are this basically buying and holding, and that's your only strategy. Okay, if you want to buy and hold, fine, but you shouldn't make that your only strategy, because what's going to happen is you're going to be sitting waiting for, you know, things to go, because we can basically trade sideways for a long time, and while you're waiting, you basically missing out on opportunities and trades. So you can make money right now, and the money's right in front of you. So if you, let's say you had two different strategies, right? And let's say that, you know, you have a certain amount of money you're hodling, and then you have a certain amount of money you're just basically, you know, taking trades. You can that's the best of both worlds. You can take advantage of both worlds, and most of you guys are not doing it. You just basically missing out. So just educate yourself, and once you educate yourself, you can actually make more during a bull market. Just, you know, because most of you guys just want to hodl, but you can actually make more once you understand how to read the charts. So let me see if I see any questions here, and then we can wrap this up. I'm gonna watch some basketball, watch some playoffs. What's going on, Crypto Inspo? Hey, Ben. Been killing it, bro. Selling the top, bottom, bottoms, man. Shout out to you, John E. Bakes. I love to hear these success stories. Your guys making this money. Do you hold only Bitcoin or also altcoins? Do you think altcoins will also do 30x gains, or will they die next bull run? Basically, no, I don't hold any altcoins or Bitcoin, because I don't like to long term invest. Okay, because that's not really my style, because I understand that, especially a volatile market like cryptocurrencies, I understand that you know, we can go up fast and we can drop fast. All right, so when we go up fast, I'm willing to take profits, and when we drop fast, I'm willing to short the market and take profits that way too. So I'm willing to play both sides, because I understand that at any moment, you know, Bitcoin could basically go up fast and it could drop fast too. So I don't hold cryptocurrencies, you know, because of that. Now, I would take advantage of the moves and stuff like that. Do I think these altcoins will have 30x? Yeah, of course, you know, they will. But some of them, you know, have to die. A lot of them have to die. A lot of these altcoins have to die. Okay, but yeah, you know, a lot of these, when that bull market comes back, I don't see why not. You know, altcoins will have some decent gains. Crypto Inspo, man, what's going on, bro? I hope you studying, man. You said day trading crypto today made 900 What's going on, bro? So you made 900. Shout out to you. Ka-ching, ka-ching, man. Take profit. Exactly. That's the name of the game. He said, get Ben's day trading class. You can learn how to trade too, man. Shout out to you. Dan, enjoy your game, Ben. Thanks for much. Yeah, man. You know, sometimes you gotta enjoy life, man. Hey, Ben, I bought your first course a year ago. Good stuff. Do I get a discount on this one? Which one you talking about, Carlton? Let me know exactly what you're talking about. So you basically, what course did you buy? You know, what course did you buy? All right. So basically, I give you guys that live stream discount on the crypto course. All right. Now for my day trading course, what I do for you guys, I give you guys, if you can't get the, you know, if you can't pay the full price straight up, I give you guys a break and I give you payment plans. All right. The day trading course will show you how to make money daily with the futures market. I told you guys before that this month I'm giving you guys a bonus for free. I'm going to trade live for you guys. Okay, for my students that got the course, I'm gonna trade live for you guys. For we're gonna meet up maybe 2 to 3 times a week. We're gonna look at the live markets, trade live. All right, and that's for only people that's serious, people that hate their job, wanna learn how to make that extra income. You can sign up for that. So let me give you guys that link once again for those. You said my very first course. So my very first course. So you didn't. So you don't even have this one. So this one right here, the crypto grabber. This one is show you how to make money in the bear market, in the bull market. Okay. So what course are you talking about right now? I have 2 courses. I have a day trading course right here. The day trading course will show you how to day trade futures. Carlton, are you talking about that? Are you talking about the day trading futures one? That's the one you're talking about right now? That's the one you want to get? Let me give you guys the links real quick. All right, so let me see here. Let me see if I see any questions right here, guys, please. Before I get out of here, let me see if I see any questions. I think next week there will be a massive alt spike. I mean, we had spikes already. We had spikes. I mean, from the altcoins, I don't know. Maybe we'll see. I mean, the market ran up a lot, so we'll see. Yeah, so Carlton, basically the day trading one, the reason why I don't give a discount because I'm giving you guys a break on the payment plans, okay? So I'll break the payment plans down for you guys. So, you catch a break. And once you pay that off, you're a lifetime member, all right? I told you guys that I will review your first 5 trades for free to help you guys out. So if you want to see me trade live next week, come join me. It's a day trading course. If you want to get the crypto course, go check that out because that's only $150 during the live stream. Right now, I'm waiting for the weekend to see if Bitcoin wants to pull back even more, or hold support and basically continue to go right back up. All right. So that's what I'm waiting for, guys. I will definitely keep you guys updated. I don't know if I'm going to do any videos this weekend, but I'll keep you guys updated. Right now, I'm just going to watch the playoffs. If you guys have any questions, you can email me. But guys, you know what to do. You know what to do, guys. You have to study, improve, practice, get better at your craft. Okay, the guys that stay still are the guys that will the guys that staying still are the guys that always will suffer. Okay, you have people in the crypto market that will never try to learn. All they want to do is just say hodl, and that's it. But they don't want to learn more. The more knowledge you have, the more you guys are prepared and you can actually make more money. Okay, make sure you continue to practice, study, improve. Talk to you guys later. Please have a great weekend. Crypto Inspo said, I hear your voice at least 2 hours a day, Ben. Shout out to you, man. That means you're studying. 2 hours a day. That's good to hear, bro. You said, I'm stuck on the futures course. I think it will take me a month to finally get it, man. Shout out to you. Like I told you before, Crypto Inspo, like I told you before and tell anybody here, if you have any questions, just, message me either via Discord or, email. So, guys, thanks a lot. Okay. Travis said, your live trading is awesome. Opportunity to watch, Ben. Very appreciated, man. Shout out to you, Travis. Actually, one of my students. Let me see. Info Planet. Which futures market are the best to trade? I mean, there's a lot of them. There's really no best one. You have the Nasdaq that moves pretty, fast. You have the S&P. You have the crude oil. You have the Russell 2000 that moves real good. So you have a lot of markets that move good. You have gold. Okay. So you have a lot. Okay. And that's just a few of them. Okay. You have more products. So, but you just gotta practice and just get familiar with reading the charts. So, guys, thanks a lot. Told you guys later. Have a great weekend. Please don't get yourself in trouble. What's going on, AZ? Shout out to you, man. You came in late. Guys, have a great weekend. Don't get yourself in trouble. Okay, please, stay out of trouble. And talk to you guys later. And have a great day, guys.